Alright guys, welcome to my improvised paint booth. This time I didn't set up the tent. I think we will be just fine with this. I don't think there's gonna be too much overspray, but even if there is, what can I do? Here we only have parts in this room, so the overspray wouldn't be a problem. So yeah, I think I'm ready to start getting ready. Let me show you what I mean. So all the parts are blown, and now the only thing that remains is to wipe them with solvent. Even the areas of the car that are repaired after the primer have been prepared for painting. You know, we have to paint the battery box. This area, for example, I scuffed it up. Here I scuffed it up. So yeah, all these little parts here, I was thinking to hang them, but actually it's not that hard. I mean, I'm gonna spray them underneath first, and then I'm gonna flip them, and all of them are in such shape that they can touch only like 3 points when they are flipped. So if I need to touch up this later, I'm gonna touch it up those as well. When I flip them, they just touch in few points. They don't lay on flat parts. That's what I mean. These as well, they have little screws, so when I flip them, they will be sitting on the screws. These as well. You know, they are not laying flat. Now they are laying flat on the surface, but when I flip them, they're not going to be laying flat. These, like, it is what it is. If I have to touch them up, I will touch them up later. Those brackets as well, when I flip them, they will be touching on 4 points on the 4 corners. This has been screwed there with little screws, so I hope I will be able to reach all over the place. And this is the funniest part here, these horns. What I did was I put some screws down there in the bench, and I shoved them at the end of the pipe, so they are like horns here. The hatch is hanging here, and the main part is the bonnet, of course. So I have it in this position now. I'm gonna do most of the inside, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I already practiced it once, so I know that I can do it. And actually, yeah, I'm gonna show you when I have to do it. I'll show you how I'm gonna flip it. But it's gonna be sitting on these 4 points actually. This, and this point. So I'm gonna be able to reach underneath and everywhere again once it is flipped on in its normal position. So that's it. Let me start wiping everything, get changed, and then we're gonna start mixing paint and painting. So this is solvent, the first part. And after the solvent, we'll wipe it with the tack cloth, and hopefully there's not going to be any dust anywhere. My God, this is going to take forever now to wipe. Alright, and now the tack cloth will be the last thing. Alright, I think we're ready to mix the primer and start priming finally. Yeah. I don't know how much will I need, that's why I'm not going to mix too much. I don't even know what is this, but 4-1, 4-1. Here I'm gonna go to 2, and then with the hardener I'm gonna go to 2. That's, I don't know how much is that, but if I need more, I'm gonna just make more. So that way. It has pot life of 2 hours, so I guess that's gonna be more than enough. I hope. Like I said before, I'm not very good at painting. I'm learning now, so if I'm doing something wrong, I'm sorry guys. Don't quote me on anything that I'm doing here today. So where was I? Here. I'm not gonna talk too much about gun settings and stuff like that because I have an idea what I'm doing, but I don't want to pass it on to you because it might be wrong. So I'll say only that the pressure on the gun has been set to 30 psi. So when I press all the way, it is going to 30, and I have the board over there to set up the pattern, and I think we will be fine. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to make more later, but that's fine. Oh, I think the pattern is pretty good. We don't even need to touch it. Okay, so time to start, guys. And of course I'm going to start with the hardest areas. I'm out of primer. Need to mix more. Well, so I actually need a lot more because we didn't even finish the first coat, and I want to do at least 2, if not 3 coats. So 4-1. Now we're gonna go to what should we do? Double that? Yeah, let's do double that. So we're gonna do 4. That's something else. Well, I'm surprised actually how good I am. So I'm done with 2 coats. I think I'm gonna do 1 more. Oh my god, there's a big run here. Whatever. I'm gonna do 1 more. And then we're gonna start flipping parts. Alright, it's time to start flipping parts. So let's see. Now I practiced that before, so I hope it's gonna work. So now I will be able to paint the rest. Now from here we have access to where we couldn't reach before. At least I hope. Everywhere. But yeah, that's pretty good. And then the top, of course, is easy. And let's also flip these parts. Now we'll wait 10 minutes and we'll do another 2 coats actually. Alright, everything has been painted, everything has been primed. I keep saying painted, but everything has been primed, and I don't know how well the camera picks it up. I hope it is in focus, but I think it covered pretty well. This is 3 coats of primer, epoxy primer. Of course it is orange peely now, but that's normal for this primer as far as I know. These parts here are all done. So we are ready. And before the gun dries, I'm gonna go clean it, and then we have to reorganize everything again because it's working day tomorrow and I don't want to leave a mess in the shop. Well, I think this is where we're gonna leave it for tonight. We're gonna let them dry overnight, and tomorrow morning before we start work, I'm gonna take care of everything. I'm gonna put them away, maybe inside the car, all the parts and everything that's hanging over there, and we'll see the bonnet. I don't know, maybe we're gonna put it on the car, but I have to start working on it. We will see. We will see what I'm gonna do, but for now, I'm not gonna touch anything anymore tonight, because I want it to dry perfectly before I touch it. But I'm happy. I'm happy with how everything turned out. And now we can focus on the bodywork. Yeah? The bodywork is something that I'm not really good at, so that's why I'm not looking forward to it, but in the meantime I'm looking forward to it because it's a challenge and I like challenges, so I want to learn it. I want to learn that as well, and I want to learn how to paint so I can do a restoration from start to finish myself. I won't need anybody to work on my cars because I'm really disappointed by how some people were. Anyways, so I don't know if this is going to be enough for one video, but anyways, I'm going to put it in a video. Maybe it's going to be a short one, maybe not, I don't know. But even if it's a short one, I'm going to put it together and I'm going to upload it because this is going to be the last of the priming, and then we're going to start fresh with the bodywork from the next video. So that's going to be it for tonight, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting and subscribing as usual. And I really mean it. I really mean it when I say thank you for watching, guys, because I really appreciate it. And that actually gives me more strength to work. Sometimes I feel lazy, but then I say, okay, I have to go work and I have to do it because they are waiting for the new video, so I don't want to slow down. So actually you also keep me going, so thanks for that, guys. Thank you. Bye.